Get down here, Merc.
Halt! Who goes there?
You're up.
You're coming with us. Nice and easy.
Don't think so.
Who in the hell? Hands where I can see them.
Have fun.
Freeze! Move and we shoot!
Go ahead.
What in the...
Nothing to it.
Drop the weapon!
You got this.
Yeah, what he said.
You're coming with us!
Can't get surrounded. Nope. Let's go.
So what's Soldier Boy's deal? Is he one of us now? He's got balls, this, what was his name again?
Cloud Strife.
Right.
And he isn't a soldier anymore. Still, he's a professional, unlike the rest of us. I'm glad to have him.
This is a one-time gig. When it's done, we're done.
Real joy to work with, though.
Real joy to look at, too.
Here we go.
You'll
Let's
keep
start
us
what people
safe,
notice first.
right, Cloud?
Guess I'm not on the same page as people.
I'd say you're not even reading the same book. Or even the same...
Give it a rest.
Come on, nobody do something this crazy just for money. They may not think you're a true believer, but you know what I think?
Not interested.
What?
Wedge. You better be worth the money, Merc. Every last gill.
on, boy!
Guess you're first. That's that. Not bad.
I found one!
Steady. Let's go.
Hey, Cloud! Elevator's over there! Catch up soon!
This way.
Huh?
Not so fast. We've got company.
Job's a job. Not bad.
Get him!
Was never in doubt.
Soldiers may attack on command, but I hear they make good guard dogs too. Bet you've seen a few reactors. So how do we get to the bridge above Mako storage? Ain't holding out on me, are you? Stamp scared to bite the hand that fed him? Or is he a loyal little doggy? Have it your way, Mutt. We can do this with you, or we can do this without you.
Different reactor, different layout. Depends when it was built. Never seen one like this, but I'll manage.
Don't you worry. Biggs will have the door open soon.
I'm watching you.
In 3, 2... Damn, I'm good.
Who's there? Door!
Well, wait!
It's over!
That's my line.
He's alone! We can take him! Make it rain!
That's that.
We're back.
Then let's move.
He always knows just what to say.
Cut it out.
I got this place covered.
It's a good thing I know someone who can get us the passcodes. Pity no one else at command will talk to us, but what can you do? Then we're good.
Careful in there. Well, what are you waiting for?
Security is only gonna get tighter, so be ready. We can't afford any more mistakes.
Looks like the elevator's on another floor. Mind pushing that button?
So, you know Tifa, right? It's not really my business, but are you guys close?
Cloud! Are you ignoring me?
Tifa and I.
These sewer rats appear to call themselves Avalanche, sir. We are currently investigating whether they belong to the same group that made the attempt on your life. Rest assured, our inquiries will not take much longer.
This pump's sole purpose is to drain the planet dry. While you sleep, while you eat, while you shit, it's here sucking up Mako. It doesn't rest, and it doesn't care. You do realize what Mako is, don't you? Mako is the lifeblood of our world. The planet bleeds green like you and me bleed red. The hell you think's gonna happen when it's all gone, huh? Answer me! You gonna stand there and pretend you can't hear the planet crying out in pain? I know you can!
You really hear that?
Damn straight I do!
Get help.
Say that again!
I'd worry less about the planet and more about the next 5 seconds. Save the screaming for later.
Our lives are on the line now. You listening, Merc? One false move, and that happens.
Well, so much for having Cloud do all the fighting. There are some places a sword just can't reach. Just bear with him for me, would you?
Yeah.
Should have asked for more money.
Gonna throw your sword at him? Let the man with the gun go to work. These tin cans ain't got nothing on me. now for the real show. I'm counting on you. Do your job, Murph.
Shut up and move over. All done.
Huh. Cocky little bastard, ain't you?
Look what we have here.
The laser security system. Great.
Those things will hurt more than your pride if you're careless. They'll cut you down to size and then some. But I'm guessing you've done this kind of thing before.
Yeah. Figure out the timing of the lasers. Then, make a move when they cycle off.
Exactly. I'll go first. Nothing like a little danger to get the blood pumping.
Hey!
Just keep those baby blues of yours on me. Not too shabby. You're doing good, soldier. Okay, let's see what's up next. And it's more of the same. Come on, then. Pretty easy, right? You okay? They don't call those things sweepers for nothing. They can wipe out a whole squad in seconds.
Not if you wipe the floor with them first.
Ha! We can take this hunk of junk.
That hunk of junk is a heavy weapons platform. If we rush in, we die.
Is that right?
We need to hit it with magic. That should give us an opening. Keep it together.
Need my help.
Let's do this.
Hey! It's not moving!
Let's pin it down. Give it all you've got. Need a light? Keep it up.
Let's do this! Time to fry! What are you, 20-something?
First.
Huh?
Soldier of first class. Doesn't go into the 20s.
The hell you talking about? I mean your age, not your goddamn rank. Though for all I know, a soldier's rank could be the same as his age. Mm-hmm. Guess that make you a 1-year-old, huh? Live and learn.
That's our target, the reactor core. Gotta set the bomb at the bottom. Let's get down there.
God damn. I can practically taste tobacco in here. Hurry it up. My heart's pounding like a jackhammer.
Scared, huh?
Huh. More like excited. I've been dreaming about this for years.
Heads up, boys. The end's in sight. I'll leave the rest in your capable hands. Good luck. Not that way. Down the ladder, dummy.
Aw, you're choosing me over the reactor? That's sweet, but I'll wait my turn. Go blow her mind.
Screw you!
It's on you.
All right, watch and learn. Ah! 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 How'd you like that? You got this!
Taking over. It's over. See ya.
You think if we fell in, we'd sink right down to the bottom? To the planet's core?
No. The pump inside. That's that.
Ain't no thing!
All done.
God, you little bastard, ain't you? Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, let's see if Little Stamp really can bite the hand that feeds. Go on, do the honors. Prove to me you're the man Tifa says you are. That you're one of us.
Never said I was. I'm just here for the paycheck.
Then do the damn job! What's wrong?
I'm fine. What about the timer?
Your call, Merc. Huh. That long enough for you? You double-crossing!
Heads up!
What in the hell? Hey, how the hell do we fight this thing?
It's got reinforced armor plating, but the internals can be overloaded. Lightning magic.
No other option, huh? The hell is this?
A target lock. Look out!
We barely scratched the damn thing.
Didn't I tell you to use magic?
Thought you were full of shit.
Think whatever you want. Just do it. Take the lead. My turn.
Hell yeah! You see the damage that did?
Keep it up. Get ready. Let's do this.
is that?
A barrier? Never seen this defense system before.
Thought you were the expert.
So what's your brilliant plan, genius? That didn't work either. Bounced right off.
Nice try, dumbass.
Frontal assault's no good. There! Attack it from the rear!
All right, soldier boy. Show me what you got.
No effect on target. Now, hit it hard and fast.
Oh, you're in for it now!
Just shoot! Focus and find a way. Let's finish this. No more playing nice. Watch the tail. You don't want to be hit by that laser.
Huh? So, what do we do?
Don't get hit. Take cover behind that debris. Bring it. Strike down before it fires again.
Gonna make your eyeballs pop.
Gotta memorize the patterns. Find an opening.
Oh, hell! What's it doing now?
An auto repair unit. Damn it. You gotta take it out quickly with screw.
Oh, I am way ahead of you, Murph.
Gotta time our attack just right. Hold out until you spot an opening. You're as good as dead. Gotta heal up.
Shit, the bomb!
30 minutes until
You hear that? Damn thing showed you how it's done.
Come on, we've gotta move.
Wedge should be covering our way out. Go, go, go!
Tough, but doable. Let's go. You okay?
Do I look okay? Help a girl out, would you? My hero!
Hey! We'll link up over there! Look after Jesse!
Come this way! This route should lead us straight to Barrett. Probably. I think I see an exit. Come on. Don't look back. Let's go, let's go, let's go! We're running out of time.
Shut up and climb. You're not helping.
Sorry, it keeps me focused. I'll freak out if I don't talk.
Have it your way.
Barrett!
I've got you covered! Find us a way out of here!
But then...
Don't worry, I'll be fine. I've got Soldier Boy with me.
X, Soldier Boy.
They're here! Take them down!
We don't have time for this shit! The clock's ticking!
Cool it. 5 seconds is all we need.
Let's go. The others are waiting. Gotta get the hell out of here ASAP.
Let's finish this.
Gotta love it!
Here we go.
Fuck on this! There you have it! Heads up, we got a whole lot of go.
No shit.
Get your ass out of here!
No time to celebrate.
Sure there is!
Don't screw this up.
You talking to yourself again? Not good
Let's finish this. Enough. Deal with that.
Alright! Watch and learn! Ain't no thing!
No time to celebrate.
Sure there is! Sir. Come on!
Doors open! We don't have a lot of time. Wait, people! Over there!
Can you walk?
If I couldn't, believe me, you'd be the first to know.
I'll take that as a yes.
Okay, that was pretty cool. All right, come on.